Good morning, everyone. Today topic is remaining types of signals. Coming to the periodic signal. A periodic signal, a signal which is satisfy the condition x of t equal to x of t plus capital T is called a periodic signal. When this where it small t is a time with respect to x of t signal and capital T is a time period of the signal. Shown in below figure, it is a periodic signal. In this, the starting point of the signal and one cycle completed, the ending point of the signal, the distance between the two them is called the time period of the signal, capital T. The number of cycles per 1 second is called the frequency. So frequency f is equal 1 by time period, or frequency is a inversely proportional to the time period. This is the periodic signal example. And coming to the aperiodic signal, a period which is not satisfied the condition x of t equal to x of small t plus capital T. In this, time period is not available in a periodic signal. A signal that not exhibit in any pattern. Example is given below figure. A periodic signal, this is randomly moving the signal. Coming to the energy signal, a signal is said to be an energy signal if its energy is finite and power is zero. Energy is finite and power is zero. The energy units are joules. All finite duration of signals are energy signals. All finite duration of signals, any signal which containing a finite duration, that signal is called a energy signal. That is 0 less than energy less than or equal to infinity. When that situation power equal to 0, finite duration of energy, then that place power equal to 0. Continuous time signal energy formula is equal to 0 to infinity x of t whole square dt. In complex numbers, energy equal to minus infinity to infinity x of t modulus of x of t whole square dt. Coming to the power signals. Power signal, a signal is said to be a power signal if its power is finite and energy is infinite. In this, power means the rate of change of energy. All periodic signals are power signals. All periodic signal, all power signal. So periodic signal means some containing some time period. A power signal formula is P equal to 1 by time period 1 by t minus t by 2 modulus of x of t whole square dt is the power. Power signal, that is 0 to 0 less than p less than infinite. When that place power is finite duration, when that place energy is infinite, because power is a rate of change of energy. You know that. Coming to the real signal and imaginary signal. In this real signal, a signal which satisfies the condition x star of t equal to x of t is called a real signal. A condition which satisfies the condition is x star of t equal to x of t is called a real signal. Example, at comma cos t. We taken cos t. Example, x star of t equal to x star of cos t equal to cos star t. In this, cos star of t equal to cos t, so x star of t equal to x of t, then it is a real signal. For a real signal, imaginary part must be 0. Only real part is containing real signal. Coming to the imaginary signal, a signal which satisfies the condition. In this, x star of t equal to minus x of t. This is called a imaginary signal. Minus x of t. Example, IAT, imaginary part in IAT, comma IBT. For imaginary signals is containing only real part must be 0, only containing imaginary part. Suppose we take an IA of t, x star of t, we taken that IA of t, gives minus of 80. So minus of 80. So it gives minus of x of t. So the signal is a example of imaginary signal. Coming to the another topics after completion of the types of signal, operation on signals. Operations on signals. It is very important. Operation on signals. Basically, three. One is time shifting. Second one is time scaling and time reversal. In this time shifting, coming to the time shifting property, it is very important topics. Time shifting. Time shifting means time is shifting. Suppose time is t, the time is shifted to some t0 or t1 something else, because time shifting property. X of t is a, suppose you consider a original signal, then time shifted to t minus t0. So x of t minus t0 is a time shifting version of x of t. X of t is a original signal and x of t minus t0 is a time shifting version of x of t. In this, t0 is a integer or constant. T0 is changed some 1 or 2 or 3 or any constant value. Where t0 is in this x of t minus t0, where t0 is positive, consider, then x of t minus t is a right shifted signal. That signal is also called a delayed signal. With t minus t0, where t0 is a positive, then x of t minus t0 is a right shifted. That is a delayed signal. Where t0 is a negative, then x of t minus t0 is a left shifted signal. That is a advanced signal. Coming to the explanation of time shifting, in continuous time signal, we take and consider in this below diagrams is a continuous time signals. How to perform the time shifting operation in this? In this, x of t is a minus 1 to 3, amplitude is 2. Amplitude is 2. The second figure is time shifting properties existed in second diagram. That is, x of t, it changes time shifted to x of t minus 4, shifted to 4 units. 4 is a constant value, is a t0 value is 4, 4, shifted to 4. So the diagram representation also shifted to 4 units. So minus 1 to 3. So minus 1 to, with x of t minus 4 is positive in t0, then it is right shifted signal. So 4 is positive, minus 4 is taken as positive, t0 is positive. In diagram x of t, we added that positive value, minus 1 to plus 4 and 3 plus 4. So the signal is shifted to minus 1 to plus 4 is 3 plus 3 time is 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7. The second diagram is time shifting diagram. Coming to the right, this is a first diagram is a right sided time signal, time shifting. In second diagram, third diagram, x of t minus 1 to 3, same diagram, x of t, then it is shifted to x of t plus 2. In this, t0 is a negative, so the diagram is shifted to left sided signal, left side shifting is possible. In this is t0 value is negative, so minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 2. The diagram of time shifting left sided time signal is shown in below figure 4. Coming to the time shifting property in discrete signals. In discrete signals, we take in a discrete signal diagram s of n when time shifted to s of n minus 2, where discrete signal small t in place of t we replace it by small n. So sn minus 2, sn plus 2. Sn is a original signal we taken, and sn minus 2 is a right shifted signal. In this, right shifted by 2 units. Sn plus 2 is a left sided signal. In this, left by 2 units, where in this time is 2 units. This is a discrete time signals time shifting property. Coming to the time scaling. In time scaling, in this x of t, time scaling, after time scaling goes to the x of a of t, where a is a constant or scaling factor. Where is a constant, it is very very important, where is a scaling factor. The total time scaling property depends only on small a value only. If a greater than 1, that signal, we taken a value is greater than 1, that signal is a compressed signal. We taken 0 less than a less than 1, that signal is expanded signal. In diagram is shown in the below figure. For continuous time signal, time scaling property is x of t is minus 2 to 2, time interval minus 2 to 2, x of 2t, where a is a greater than 1, so 2 is a greater than 1, so we consider a is a greater than 1, that signal is compressed signal. So ikkada scaling factor small a is a 2 units. A 2 is divided by with a x of t time period minus 2 2. So minus 2 by 2 plus 2 by 2, that gives a minus 1 to 1. It is shifted time. So this is a compressed signal shown in below, shown the graph is easily understand you only. Coming to the third diagram, scaling factor is t, x of t by 2, where scaling factor is 1 by 2. In the scaling factor a is 0 less than a less than 1, that signal is expanded signal. In this scaling factor 1 by 2 is divided with minus 1 to 1 value, minus 2 to 2 value. In this minus 2 by 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1 by 2 gives minus 4 and 4. Its time interval changes to minus 4 to 4 as shown in the below figure. This is a expanded signal. Similarly, a discrete signal depends upon this scaling factor a value. In discrete time signals, same. One is scaling factor a greater than 1 is compressed signal, and 0 less than a less than 1 is expanded signal as shown in the below figures. Coming to the time reversal property. Time reversal property also called as the folding. If the independent variable t is replaced by the minus t, if the independent variable small t is replaced by minus t, is called time reversal process, time reversal operation on the signals. The diagrams are shown in the below diagrams are continuous time signal, discrete time signal. In continuous time signal, x of t, in this t is replaced by minus t, that gives x of minus t. That is, the diagram is negative side. In continuous, similarly discrete time signal, x of n is, in this n is replaced by minus small n. Small n, n small time is replaced by the minus n. This is a time reversal property. In mathematically simplification, we are using Bodmer's rule. Similarly, in signals we are using some presidency rule. In presidency rules, first one is time shifting, time scaling, time reversal. This order for solving so many problems in this. Consider a signal x of t is this, is shown in the below figure 1 to 1. This is x of t is, suppose we designing a x of minus 2t, in the x of minus 2 plus 5 representation of graph, minus x of minus 2 plus 5, design a signal. First of all, by using preceding rule, x of 2t signal is this one, first diagram, x of minus 2t. X of minus 2t means, in this we are using time reversal, x of 2t plus, and next after minus 2 plus 5, in this time shifting property are using, then the diagram is shown in below figures. Thank you, and please subscribe the channel Breaking Telugu and share the video and like the video, please. After section I am going to the another topic, so please subscribe the channel Breaking Telugu.